Hi everyone, I just want to give you a brief tutorial on how to format your Works Cited page in the MLA style. So here I have a list of my sources. They're all written in MLA style, last name, first name, period, title of the book in italics, title of the article in quotes, title of the magazine in italics, date, and sometimes the website. All right, first thing I want to make sure is that this is in alphabetical order by last name. So F, J, C goes before F, COA, COO. So these go above Freud. And then we have F, J, King, and Taverner. These all look to be alphabetized. Then I want to make sure that we double space this. Works Cited, which is the title of this page, goes in the center. Now here comes the magic part. This needs to be in hanging indent so that the last names really stick out. And for that, you go up to Format, go to Align and Indent, go down to Indentation Options. We're going to do a special indent called Hanging. And next to Hanging, you put 0.5. That's where the second lines go, 0.5 indented. And then voila, this is what your Works Cited page should look like. Alphabetized, hanging indent. All right, good luck.